In a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 1417, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that a Muslim should save themselves from hell even by giving half a date fruit in charity. This narration, like many other teachings of Islam, indicates the importance of quality over quantity. The devil often puts off Muslims from performing righteous deeds by making them believe the deed is too small and therefore insignificant to Allah, the Exalted. Unfortunately, even other ignorant Muslims often discourage others from certain righteous deeds, claiming they are insignificant and unnecessary. It is important for a Muslim not to fall for this trap and instead strive to perform all righteous deeds, big or small, as Allah, the Exalted, undoubtedly observes one's quality and judges people based on it. An aspect of this quality is one's intention, meaning whether one is doing it purely for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, or for some other reason, such as showing off. A Muslim should firstly concentrate on correcting the quality of their good deed, such as possessing a good intention, and then ensure that the source of the good deed, such as giving charity, is from a lawful source, as any deed which has a foundation in the unlawful will not be accepted. This has been warned in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 661. Next, a Muslim should perform all voluntary righteous deeds according to their means and strength. The Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, has made it clear in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6465, that the most beloved deeds to Allah, the Exalted, are the regular ones, even if they are considered small. In addition, regularly performing good deeds is more likely to change a Muslim for the better compared to doing a big deed once in a blue moon. In respect to voluntary charity, a Muslim should donate regularly according to their means, even if it is a single pound, and firmly believe Allah, the Exalted, will turn this into a mountain of reward on Judgment Day. This in fact, has been promised in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 662. To conclude, a Muslim should concentrate on quality over quantity and perform all types of good deeds regularly according to their means and strength.